homework here. Let me tell you about sound effects. Sound effects are really cool. I love doing sound effects. And yes, I can do a couple sound effects. Here's an eagle. My microphone's not that good, so that's why it doesn't sound that perfect. Here's Pac-Man. Here's C-3PO. Master Yoda, I must advise you to use your lightsaber and use the Force or whatever. Blah blah blah. I don't know any other sound effects. And I still got some video time left. So Gary, animation effects. Yeah. I hope that was good. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!